I'm going to take you on a journey. The journey to get the best SUV in the world into production. We need to ready the vehicle, and we need to ready the facility.
All the most challenging things you can throw at a car in a cold environment, we've got in one place here.
We are coming here to validate the aerodynamic performance of our Gravity.
We are now vertically integrated, where we can do everything in-house here in Arizona.
This is the scale of investment that we're making here at Lucid for the long term.
The way you interact with the car and the fun that you get from it is becoming a Lucid brand value, really.
Gravity is the electric, go anywhere, do anything vehicle.
We're hugely excited about bringing the very best EVs in the world to you, our customers.